Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Have you uploaded a video and noticed 0 views? Don't worry. Today I will show you 3 simple steps to fix it and getting more views. So firstly, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. So open up your Chrome browser and go to the YouTube Studio. You have to search on Chrome browser YouTube Studio. Then you will see the login option or YouTube Studio option. Just tap on this. After that, this page will be shown here. You have to go to the setting bar, and here you will see the basic information, advanced settings, and features eligibility. So you have to tap on the basic information. Here you will see your keyword box, and in this box you have to import some text which are related with your channel and with your videos. So here, if you have a tech channel, then you have to import tech channel, gadget, tech news, everything. So in this box, it's so important for your channel and for getting views on your videos. Proper keyword make your channel more discoverable. Step number 2, choose the right category. Next, select the correct category for each video. YouTube uses that to suggest your video to people who watch similar content. Tutorial videos should go under education or how to and style. Choosing the right category increases the channel of being recommended. So in the same way, you have to go to the advanced settings options, and here you will see the option you have to select the right category for your channel. So here you will see the lots of categories, and you have to select the right categories for your channel. So third step is about trending topics. You have to go to your YouTube Studio application, and here you have to go to the analysis option. Here you will see the trending topics and top searches options. So if you making this type of content which are in your top searches, you will getting more views, and your 0 views problem will be solved. And I will give you extra tips, which is use tools like Google Trend or YouTube Explore to find what people are searching for right now. Create content around these trends or attractive more viewers. So these are the 3 steps to get you first views: channel keyword, category, and trend. Follow these steps and watch your views grow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.